With a view to provide livelihood support to rural women, NABARD has been encouraging the self-help group in the country. Right now, all over the country, in almost every village, you find the self-help groups. Formation of groups, taking them to the bankers, making them avail credit was one of the things. But for livelihood support, in fact, there is a need for increasing their skills, particularly the traditional skills. So NABARD has been supporting training of the artisans, particularly the SHG women in various trades in which they are already capable of. This and production of different items is one of the things, but taking it to the markets, taking it to the consumer is another thing. So NABARD is supporting these initiatives where from one state to the other state, artisans could go and sell their products. So as part of that exercise, the Swayamvar Nari has brought the SHG women from West Bengal to Andhra Pradesh, and this has been supported by NABARD. So from our state, particularly the citizens of Hyderabad and Secunderabad should visit this exhibition and buy the products so that the artisans from West Bengal get encouraged and also they get livelihood support from the sales of their produce. Products basically, since West Bengal is known for its handlooms and handicrafts, here you find many textiles, particularly handloom textiles, lot of them are there, and then you have various jute products are there. You also have for the first time in Andhra Pradesh, Pattachitra. It's a kind of tribal art, folk art, where the Ramayana, Mahabharata stories are depicted through these chitras, and it is actually the East Medinipur district tribals do this thing. And for the first time they brought a tribal artist, and also the Pattachitras are also there. These are quite in demand, particularly in the high-end markets where the people in the hotels, star hotels and all, they display these chitras. So now these are very easily accessible to even the common people also. These things could be purchased and utilized in our, decorated in our houses as such. Loans, basically NABARD is supporting formation of the self-help groups and also taking them to the bankers. So banks, we provide the refinance for the purposes, but formation of groups is supported by NABARD, training of the groups is also supported by NABARD, and also marketing of their produce is also supported by NABARD. Swayamvar Nari has come to Andhra Pradesh, but in other melas like our Saras Mela, where we conduct, or other like Shilpa Ramam and all, they also participate in these melas. So NABARD is also sending artisans from our state to other states also. Like Maharashtra, we have sent to Saras Mela. We have also sent them to Delhi, that artisan Mela in Delhi also we have sent. We have also sent artists from our state to Kolkata, where they participated in those events, and handicrafts from our state also go to the different states in the same. Thank you so much.